Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best science for 8-year-olds is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce young minds to the wonders of the world. This book is packed with fun facts and experiments, designed to ignite curiosity and make learning a blast. From exploring the mysteries of the human body to unraveling the secrets of the cosmos, this guide offers an engaging journey through the fascinating realms of science. Number 5. Snap Circuits Junior SC 100 Electronics Exploration Kit. Discover the world of electronics with this amazing kit. It's a safe and fun way to introduce children to the basics of electrical engineering. This kit is perfect for kids aged 8 and up. Build dozens of cool electronic gadgets with this kit. You can create exciting projects and toys using the included colorful instruction book. Kids aged 8 to 108 will love building these projects. This kit makes learning fun while building practical skills. You can build a flying saucer and watch it take off. The kit includes 29 Snap Circuits parts. Give the gift of learning and fun this holiday season. This kit will keep kids busy and entertained all year round. You can combine it with other Snap Circuits kits for even more projects. Unlike traditional electronics kits, no soldering or tools are required. The numbered and color-coded pieces snap easily onto the included plastic grid. Batteries are required to make it work. This product is loved by kids, parents, and educators. It has won numerous awards, including the Specialty Toy of the Year award. It's a high-quality product that you can trust. What we like? This kit offers over 100 exciting projects, perfect for sparking curiosity. It's incredibly easy to use, with no tools required, making it ideal for young learners. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to introduce your child to electronics, this is a great choice. It's also an award-winning kit. What people say. The booklet instructions are well written, easy to understand, and explains the hows, what's, whys, and hows of circuitry. A lot of different circuits possible, and they have many examples for projects. The connections are strong and durable. She has really enjoyed playing with it and learning about DC current flow, how reversing polarity on the motor causes it to spin in different directions, and troubleshooting her circuit lead to an understanding of how diodes are only one way. Number 4. Snap Circuits Pro SC 500 Electronics Exploration Kit. This kit is a fantastic way to introduce kids to electrical engineering. It's safe, fun, and easy to use, allowing them to build various gadgets and learn the basics of electronics. With 75 parts, this kit offers incredible value. You can create over 500 exciting projects, from radios to voice recorders and LED displays. The possibilities are endless with this kit. Give the gift of learning and fun this holiday season. This kit will keep kids engaged and entertained throughout the year. It's a great way to foster their interest in STEM fields. Unlike traditional kits, this one requires no soldering or tools. The color-coded pieces snap together easily on the included grid. Batteries are required to get started. This kit has received numerous awards, including the Specialty Toy of the Year award. It's a high-quality product loved by kids, parents, and educators alike. It's a trusted choice for STEM learning. What we like? With over 500 projects, this kit provides endless hours of learning and fun. It comes with 75+ parts, allowing for a wide range of experiments. If you're looking for a kit that grows with your child's interest, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who want to explore more complex circuits. What people say. The booklet instructions are well written, easy to understand, and explains the hows, what's, whys, and hows of circuitry. A lot of different circuits possible, and they have many examples for projects. The connections are strong and durable. Number 3. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. This amazing kit lets kids dive into over 100 exciting Earth science experiments. It's a fantastic way for them to learn about the world around them and have a blast while doing it. With this kit, they can grow their own crystals and even build a volcano that erupts. The kit provides all the materials needed for these stunning experiments. The kit comes with everything needed for 15 awesome experiments, including a water tornado and excavating for fool's gold. It's a great way to spark their curiosity. It also includes 10 rock and mineral specimens, perfect for starting a rock collection. A case is included to keep their new specimens safe and sound. And the fun doesn't stop there. They'll also get a bonus experiment guide with over 85 additional experiments using common household items. It's educational and fun. This product is from Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. The company focuses on education, imagination, and creativity, ensuring a great experience. What we like. This kit lets you explore the wonders of earth science with over 100 experiments. It includes a rock collection to start your own collection. If you're fascinated by the earth and enjoy hands-on activities, this kit is perfect for you. It also provides bonus experiments. What people say. All the items in the kit were excellent and great quality. A really cool educational booklet came with the set, and we learned some really cool facts about non-Newtonian fluid and also learned about how putty came into existence. It was very surprising. Good product to give very nice learning experience for young scientists. Number 2. Klutz Lego Gearbot STEM Kit for ages 8 to 12. This Klutz kit lets you build amazing, physics-driven creatures. It uses Lego Technic bricks and papercraft to bring them to life. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about engineering. The kit includes all the Lego elements you need. You don't need to buy anything extra. It's a complete package for building and learning. Inside the 64-page book, you'll find STEM content. It covers axles, cams, and cranks, explaining how they work in everyday machines. The book also provides step-by-step instructions. With this kit, you can build up to 8 different creatures. Each model demonstrates a different mechanical principle. It's a great way to explore the world of engineering. This is the Klutz Lego Gearbot Science STEM Activity Kit. It's designed for kids aged 8 to 12. Get ready to build and learn. What we like. This kit lets you build 8 physics-driven kinetic creatures using Lego Technic bricks. It includes everything you need to get started. If you like building and learning about engineering, this kit is a great choice. It's a fun way to explore STEM concepts. What people say. The instructions were very clear and helpful. My 8-year-old grandson managed on his own, and the 6-year-old needed a small amount of assistance. The mode d'emploi de construction est remarquable. L'enfant essaie débrouiller tout seul. Number 1. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. This amazing kit combines the wonders of science with the excitement of magic. It allows you to perform over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks. You'll be bending metal and making things disappear in no time. Designed for kids, each experiment is a magic trick. The included wand and gloves let them dress the part. It's fun and educational, perfect for showing off to friends and family. The kit includes all the materials for 20 stunning science magic tricks. You can make snow appear, create square bubbles, and even become waterproof. It uses physics and chemistry to amaze. Want more? This kit includes a bonus guide with 85 plus additional experiments. They can be done with common household items, extending the fun and learning. This product is from Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. They create products that encourage education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit combines science and magic with over 100 unique experiments. You can perform magic tricks for friends and family. If you enjoy the thrill of magic and want to learn the science behind it, this kit is perfect for you. It's a fun and educational experience. What people say. This kit is packed with over 100 unique experiments that have kept her engaged and excited about science. The instructions are clear, colorful, and easy to follow, making it simple for us to dive right into each experiment. The kit offers over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks that kept my kids engaged and excited to learn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.